In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out remittance advice using QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send clear, professional payment confirmations to your vendors directly from your QuickBooks account. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, you'll want to head over to the Expenses area. This is where all of your vendor-related activity lives, including bills and bill payments. Look for the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen and click on Expenses. Once you're there, make sure you're on the Expenses or Vendors tab where you normally see your list of transactions. Now you want to locate the specific bill payment you've made and for which you want to send remittance advice. You can use the search box or filters to narrow it down by vendor name, date, payment method, or amount. Taking a moment to filter correctly will save you time, especially if you have a long list of transactions. When you see the correct bill payment in the list, double-check the vendor, the date, and the amount, so you're sure you're opening the right one. Next, click on that bill payment to open the payment transaction. This opens a detailed view showing how the payment was applied, which bills it covered, and the total that was paid. This is the transaction that QuickBooks will use to generate the remittance advice, so it's important that everything looks accurate here. If you spot any errors in the payment details, fix those first before sending anything out. Once the payment transaction is open and confirmed, look for the Save and Send button, usually located at the bottom or lower right of the window. Depending on your screen, you might see a drop-down arrow next to Save, where you can choose Save and Send. Selecting this option tells QuickBooks that you want to save the transaction and immediately prepare an email for your vendor. An email preview window will appear, showing the subject line, the body of the email, and a PDF copy of the remittance advice attached. This is your chance to customize the email. Make sure the vendor's email address is correct, adjust the subject line if you want it to be more specific, and edit the message body to match your tone or add helpful details such as which invoice numbers are included. When you're happy with how everything looks, simply click Save and Send. QuickBooks will send the remittance advice to your vendor and record that it has been emailed, and that's all there is to it. You've just sent remittance advice in QuickBooks Online, keeping your vendors informed and your payment records clear and professional.